Hello everyone, welcome back to Geo 360. Today in the health and fitness video series, I'm going to talk about HIIT workout and the LISS workout. While we all know that getting in daily exercise is very much important, there is much debate about what kind of exercise is best for us. Especially with the cardio training, there are two popular forms of cardio exercises that are the HIIT workout and the LISS workout. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, while LISS stands for Low Intensity Steady State Cardio. Each of them have their own pros and cons. So in this video, I'll explain about them so you can choose which workout will suit you the best. LISS is typically performed for 30 to 60 minutes at a steady pace with limited changes in speed or intensity. It is referred to as low intensity as you usually only hit 45 to 65% of your estimated maximum heart rate. So now what are the advantages of the LISS workout when compared to the HIIT workout? LISS workout is less demanding on the body. Because it is of low intensity, it is less demanding on the body and it is also easier on the joints, tendons, ligaments and also the muscles. There is also lesser risk of injury in the LISS workout as you work out at a steady pace and at a low intensity. One of the greatest benefits of LISS is that it is better at fat burning initially than the HIIT workout. You use the fat stored in the body as the primary source of energy as opposed to glycogen. This is why when people start doing LISS, they see great results. So now what are the disadvantages of the LISS workout? While the sessions themselves are not taxing as the HIIT workout, this means that your workouts will be much longer, you are not using as much energy as fast as possible. If you are busy or don't have much time, LISS workout won't suit you. As the workout sessions are very much longer duration of time, you will be motivated during this kind of workouts. Another disadvantage is that it burns calories only during the workout. Unfortunately, once the session is done, you will not continue to burn calories afterwards. This is because your body will quickly adapt to the LISS workouts, so you will see great results initially, but the progress in the results will not be as much as expected as the days go by. Next in line, I'll talk about the HIIT workout. HIIT means High Intensity Interval Training. This kind of workout is becoming popular nowadays. HIIT consists of shorter, more intense sessions of 10 to 60 seconds of work. This is alternated with rest or light activity time. This is where the interval part of the name comes from. HIIT brings your heart rate up to 70 to 90% of your maximum heart rate. Unlike LISS workout, HIIT is an anaerobic form of workout where your body works out demanding more oxygen than the oxygen supplied by breathing. This is why during HIIT workout you will run out of breath more quickly and your muscles will burn because of the buildup of lactic acid in your muscles. The rest periods in HIIT workout are important because it allows your body to clear the lactic acid and rebuild the oxygen levels. So what are the advantages of the HIIT workout? The sessions in the HIIT workout are very much shorter and more time efficient than the LISS sessions. If you are a very busy person and if you can't find proper time for your workouts, you can opt this kind of workout. Unlike the LISS workout, HIIT workout help keep your body burning calories long after your session is done because of EPOC. EPOC means excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, refers to the amount of oxygen required to return the body to its normal metabolic state, also called as the homeostasis. The body has to work hard to rebuild the oxygen levels up that it has lost during the session, which is why you continue to burn calories and fat post-workout even for up to 24 hours. While people see great results with the LISS at the initial stages, it is better for long-term fat loss. One reason why people tend to avoid cardio is that they do not want to lose the muscle. HIIT workout helps in retaining muscle because it includes weight training and movements that activate the muscles the same way the strength training does. So what are the disadvantages of the HIIT workout? It is more demanding on the body and creates a lot of stress and also sometimes injury to different parts of the body. It takes a longer recovery time and people seem to be fatigued all throughout the day. It is very hard for the beginners at the initial stages. So which workout is the best for you? The final answer does depend on your preference and lifestyle. If you find yourself skipping workouts because you are dreading the hour-long jog, then try HIIT workout. If you hate the intensity of the HIIT workout, then turn to LISS. A good idea is that, however, you can mix up both the workouts on alternative days and rotate in between them so that you can reap the benefits of both the workouts. This was the information I was up to you guys today. Hope it will be very much informative. Like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.